question 13 is about a plane weighs 3.39 times 10 to the power of 5 kilograms, and there's 445 of these planes in the UK. We have to find the total weight in scientific notation. So let's think about this in layman's terms. So we have the weight of one plane is 3.39 times 10 to the power of 5. And we have to multiply this by 445 to get the number of planes, the weight of all of the planes in total. So what I want to do is I'm going to multiply the 3.39 and the 445. So let's multiply both of them. Plug this into the calculator and we get 1,508.55 times 10 to the power of 5 kilograms. We are told to give the total weight in kilograms. So we've given the total weight, but the issue is the question asks us to give the answer in scientific notation. The problem, pause the video if you want and have a think what the issue is. It's really simple. Well, if we look at this number has to be, so it must be greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10. So, and less than 10. So that number must be greater than or equal to 1 and it has to be less than 10. You want to divide that number by 10 and you want to keep dividing by 10 until you get it within the range. So let's move the decimal point back until we get it between 1 and 10. So I will move it once back, and if you put the decimal point there, you get 150.855, which is greater than 10. So we go again. You put it between the 5 and the 0, we get 15.0855. Doing it again, we get 1.50855. Now this is between 1 and 10, so let's write that down. Now, because we've divided this by 10 3 times, we've moved the decimal point to the left 3 times. This is the same as dividing it by 1000. Now, because we've divided this number by 1000, we have to multiply this part by 1000 to compensate. So we've divided the blue by 1000. We have to multiply this by 1000. So we do the opposite to the green one. So we've divided this by 10 3 times, so we multiply the whole thing by 1000. 1000 is 10 cubed, so we can multiply by 10 cubed. And you know the rule that if we have x to the power of a multiplied by x to the power of b, this is x a plus b. It's the exact same logic here, and it's going to be 1.50855. I'm going to add the 5 and the 3 to get 10 to the power of 8 kilograms. Let's round it. I'm going to go with one more significant figure than the question gives. So I'm going to round it off to 4 significant figures. There's no direction on rounding in the question, but I would give it one more than the number given in the question. The answer is 1.509 times 10 to the power of 8 kilograms. And that's us finished. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching. Best of luck with the studying.